If a woman wants you, she will show you in these 8 subtle ways. 1. She laughs at your jokes, even the bad ones. Have you ever cracked a joke that was more cringe than clever, yet she's still chuckling? If she's into you, she'll find almost any reason to laugh, especially when it comes to your jokes. It's a little signal that she finds you endearing, even if your humor is hit or miss. This laughter might seem casual, but it's a psychological way of building rapport. She's trying to create a connection with you by showing you she's engaged. When she laughs at your jokes, it's as if she's giving you a mini thumbs up, a tiny nod of approval that says, "I'm here with you." 2. She creates coincidences to be around you. Ever noticed she's in the same places you frequent, whether it's the coffee shop or the gym? These coincidental meetings aren't so random. If she's interested, she'll find ways to make herself part of your day, even if it means adjusting her schedule. She's testing the waters, hoping you'll take the hint and invite her to stick around a little longer. This is her way of creating familiarity, and the more she just happens to be where you are, the more she's silently saying, "I want to be part of your life, even if I have to make it happen on purpose." 3. She uses small, accidental touches to connect. Subtle touches are one of the oldest tricks in the book, and they're not accidental. Maybe she brushes your arm when laughing or taps your shoulder to get your attention. These brief touches are her way of building a physical connection without overstepping boundaries. For her, it's a small but clear indicator that she's comfortable with you and wants you to feel the same. The key is to look for consistency. If these touches keep happening, she's definitely interested in testing if you'll reciprocate. 4. She remembers the smallest details about you. Let's say you casually mentioned your favorite band once in passing. Later, she brings it up, suggesting a song or asking if you've seen them live. When a woman remembers these tiny details, it's her way of showing she's paying attention. This goes beyond general politeness. She's mentally noting things that matter to you, and she's doing it because she's genuinely interested. When she recalls these specifics, it's her saying, "I want to know what makes you tick." She's hoping these little gestures will make you feel seen and appreciated, giving her an edge in your mind. 5. She makes an effort to look her best when she's around you. If she's putting extra care into her appearance when she knows she'll see you, take it as a major sign. Maybe she wears a color you once complimented or a fragrance you admired. Even subtle changes, like a new hairstyle or slightly more polished makeup, indicate she wants to leave an impression. She's going the extra mile because she hopes you'll notice. This effort says, "I want you to like what you see." In her mind, she's creating a mental image she hopes you'll think back on when she's not around. 6. She teases you in a playful way. Teasing might seem like she's putting up a wall, but it's actually a playful strategy to bond. If she feels comfortable enough to tease you, it shows she's testing your sense of humor and seeing if you can handle her in a more personal way. Lighthearted jabs, playful nicknames, or even pretending to challenge you on something are her ways of saying, "I want us to have fun together." She's setting the stage for a unique connection, different from the way she might interact with others. It's all about building chemistry and seeing if you'll play along. 7. She opens up about personal topics. If she's telling you things she doesn't openly share with others, it's a significant sign she feels safe around you. Sharing personal stories, insecurities, or even her childhood memories means she's inviting you to know the real her. It's not easy for most people to let their guard down, so when she does this, she's showing trust, a key component of attraction. When she opens up, she's saying, "I want you to understand who I am beyond the surface." She's testing if you'll support her vulnerable side and respond with empathy. 8. She mirrors your movements and expressions. You lean in, she leans in. You fold your arms, and so does she. Mirroring is a subconscious way of building rapport and showing that two people are on the same wavelength. If she's copying your gestures or matching your tone, she's trying to synchronize with you on an unspoken level. This isn't something people typically do on purpose. It's an instinctive reaction when they're drawn to someone. When you see this happen, she's not just enjoying your company. She's actively trying to create a deeper connection by physically aligning with you.